guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube video slow motion in Oppo. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to make YouTube video slow motion in Oppo. So first we will click the YouTube app, and then from here we will click the any video you wanted, just click it. And then from here you have to click here the setting. You have to click the setting there, and then we have to click here playback speed. It is a normal. It is a normal, but we have to slow motion it. To make slow motion, we have to we have to adjust it like this. At depend on you on how much slow motion you wanted. Now, as you can see, the video now has been in slow motion. And you can also add it in its speed motion also, like this. Now, as you can see, it is in speed motion. So, and we can add a normal also, and it work as normal. So it depends on you to slow motion, and I have show you just click normal, and then this up here is a slow motion. Then you can click any type of slow motion. So this is it, guys, of how to make a YouTube video slow motion. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.